Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point, black smoke coming from your car's exhaust is a serious warning sign, almost always indicating that your engine is burning too much fuel or not enough air. This leads to incomplete combustion, and the excess unburned carbon particles are expelled as black smoke. It's more common in diesel engines, but can also occur in gasoline vehicles. Car smoke's black. Causes, symptoms, effects, repair, and costs. Causes. The root cause of black smoke is an incorrect air-to-fuel ratio, where there's an excess of fuel or a deficiency of air for complete combustion. Rich fuel mixture, too much fuel. Faulty fuel injectors. If one or more fuel injectors are clogged, stuck open, or leaking, they will deliver too much fuel into the combustion chamber. This excess fuel cannot burn completely, resulting in black smoke. Malfunctioning fuel pressure regulator. This component controls the fuel pressure delivered to the injectors. If it fails, it can cause excessive fuel pressure, leading to too much fuel being injected. Engine deposits. Carbon buildup in the combustion chamber or on fuel injectors can disrupt proper fuel atomization and burning. Insufficient air supply. Dirty or clogged air filter. A restricted air filter prevents enough air from reaching the engine's combustion chambers. With less air, the fuel-to-air ratio becomes rich, leading to incomplete combustion and black smoke. Faulty mass airflow, MAF sensor. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine. If it sends incorrect readings, e.g., indicating less air than is actually present, the engine's computer, ECU, will compensate by injecting too much fuel, causing a rich mixture and black smoke. Faulty oxygen, O2 sensor. Oxygen sensors monitor the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases. If an O2 sensor is faulty, it can send incorrect signals to the ECU, leading it to richen the fuel mixture unnecessarily. Diesel-specific causes. Diesel engines are more prone to black smoke due to their combustion process. Clogged diesel particulate filter, DPF. If the DPF, designed to trap soot, is excessively clogged or unable to regenerate properly, it can restrict exhaust flow and cause black smoke. Malfunctioning exhaust gas recirculation, EGR valve. The EGR valve recirculates exhaust gases back into the combustion chamber to reduce nitrogen oxide emissions. A clogged or stuck EGR valve can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, leading to incomplete combustion. Turbocharger issues. A malfunctioning turbocharger, e.g., worn bearings, damaged seals, can fail to compress enough air into the engine, leading to an imbalance in the air-fuel ratio and black smoke. It can also, in some cases, lead to oil leaking into the exhaust and burning, contributing to black/bluish smoke. Incorrect injection timing. If the fuel is injected at the wrong time in a diesel engine, it can lead to incomplete combustion. Worn piston rings. Less common for pure black smoke, while typically associated with blue smoke, burning oil, severely worn piston rings can sometimes contribute to black smoke if they significantly impact combustion efficiency and lead to carbon buildup. Symptoms. Beyond the obvious black smoke, you might notice reduced fuel economy. Burning excess fuel means your car is less efficient. Decreased engine performance. Loss of power, sluggish acceleration, rough idling, or misfires due to inefficient combustion. Strong fuel smell. Unburned fuel can emit a strong odor from the exhaust. Sooty exhaust tip. A buildup of black soot around the tailpipe is a common sign. Check engine light. Various sensor faults or engine performance issues can trigger the check engine light. Rough idle or stalling, particularly with fuel system or air intake problems. Effects. Ignoring black smoke can lead to catalytic converter damage. Unburned fuel can overheat and damage the catalytic converter, a very expensive component to replace. DPF clogging/damage. Diesel continued black smoke will further clog and potentially destroy the DPF. Engine damage. Carbon buildup can lead to premature wear on internal engine components, reduced compression, and eventually engine failure. Failed emissions tests. Black smoke is a direct indicator of high pollutant emissions. Environmental pollution. Excess soot and harmful gases are released into the atmosphere. Repair. The repair depends entirely on identifying the specific cause. Dirty air filter. Simple replacement. Faulty sensors. MEF. O2 replacement of the sensor. Sometimes, cleaning an MEF sensor can resolve the issue. Faulty fuel injectors. Cleaning or replacement of the injectors. Malfunctioning fuel pressure regulator. Replacement of the regulator. DPF issues. Diesel DPF regeneration, cleaning, or replacement. Also, diagnosing and fixing underlying issues causing the DPF to clog. EGR valve issues. Diesel cleaning or replacement of the EGR valve. Turbocharger issues. Rebuilding or replacing the turbocharger. Engine deposits. Using fuel additives or professional engine cleaning. Worn piston rings. This requires a significant engine overhaul or rebuild. Costs. Repair costs vary widely based on the cause, vehicle make and model, and labor rates. Dirty air filter. $30 to $100, parts and labor. Faulty MAF or O2 sensor. $150 to $400 per sensor. Fuel injector cleaning. $100 to $300. Fuel injector replacement. $200 to $600 plus per injector. Can be very expensive for diesel injectors. Fuel pressure regulator. $150 to $400. EGR valve replacement. Diesel. $300 to $800 plus. Turbocharger replacement / rebuild. $1,000 to $3,000 plus. DPF cleaning / regeneration. Diesel. $200 to $500. DPF replacement. Diesel. $1,500 to $3,000 plus, sometimes much more. Engine rebuild. For severe internal wear or piston rings, $2,000 to $5,000 plus, potentially leading to engine replacement if damage is too severe. Important note, black smoke almost always indicates a problem that needs attention. While some causes are relatively minor, like a clogged air filter, others are severe and can lead to significant engine damage if ignored. It's always best to have a qualified mechanic diagnose the issue promptly. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.